I'm gonna be showing you how to do a 2 dumbbell slow motion floor press. Why do we wanna do a floor press? If we're gonna be lifting heavier by ourselves and we don't have a spotter, you wanna make sure that you can use this and have your elbows touch the ground. So to begin, you put the dumbbells flat up. If you need to, you can put them on your knees. And then simply fall back into position. You're gonna have your knees bent, head down. Taking your dumbbells, you're gonna slowly pivot them in. So we're not nice and wide, you pivot them in. And on these down and the eccentric, you're gonna slowly drop down 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3, hold, and then slowly right back up. On the way down, we're gonna inhale, 2 1,000, 3, and then press right back up. Now using your legs, you wanna push down into the ground, keeping a nice arch in your back, pause, and then come right back up. Okay? This is great because if you get stuck with a really heavy weight and you can't get up, you can simply drop your hands down and you won't get injured. That is how you do a 2 dumbbell slow floor press.